Hi, boys and girls. Do you remember the name of our strategy this week? It's doubles. So put your name at the top of your paper. Now, can you tell me what doubles are? Doubles are when we have two numbers that are the same and we add them together and we just memorize what the answer is. So I'm going to do some of these with you, and then I want you to try them on your own. But sometimes when we do the problem twice, we just already have the answer. So we should be able to look back and say, oh, okay. Are you noticing that doubles, the answer to doubles are even? They're all even numbers. So you won't find any answers to doubles that are odd. Okay. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 1, 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. 4 plus 4 is 8. 10 plus 10 is 20. 4 plus 4, we just did that one. It's right there. It's 8. 6 plus 6, 12. So if we have 6 plus 6, then 7 plus 7 would just be 2 more than 12, which is 14. There's 6 plus 6 again. And 7 plus 7 again. And what's 0 plus 0? 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 9 is 18. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3, 6. 10 plus 10 is 20. 1 plus 1 is 2. 8 plus 8, 16. And the last one is 12. Good. So turn your paper over, and I want you to do this side on your own. So you're going to pause the video and then do it on your own, and then push play and check your answers. All right, are you ready to check your answers? Okay, this answer is 4, 14, 0, 10, and what's 10 plus 10? 20, 12, 16, 6, 8, 18, 2, and 4. Nice job on your doubles today, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn this into your teacher.